Welcome to episode number 3, and this is also a sourcing video. As like yesterday, as like the earlier video, you had seen that we had visited different stores or different places for Italian marble. So, this video we had visited different tile depots and wholesalers of different branded tiles for both floor and wall options, because marble is not a feasible option at every locations because of two factors. One is the cost factor and second is the treatment and the maintenance factor. So vitrified tiles or full body vitrified tiles or designer tiles are a very good options which can be used throughout the other part of the flat, like bedroom floors, bathroom wall tiles, kitchen wall tiles, and the other add-on or highlighting element also with regards to different tiles and motifs is available. So we had visited JB Marbles, which is located at Turbe, and we had also completed a site sourcing visit at Floor Top, which is at Kalamboli, Navi Mumbai. So what you see are the different variants. If you emphasize that my choice or my selection is majorly or broadly more into natural stone and the natural marble design. So this is because the natural variants or the natural grains which are there in the exotic marble or in the different form of natural stones gives a very vast richness and elegance to the surface. These are the different type of highlighters which we had seen. So highlighters can be used at at slots where you have to highlight a particular element, where like be it vanity or be it your kitchen backsplash or be it any other decor where you want to have it highlighted with the usage of different tiles. So these highlighters are these days available in glass, even in metals, and there are options which are very easy to clean and easy to maintain, and even cost wise they are very effective. So the technology has gone to that extent that even customization with regards to particular shade, particular material is also available. I had visited these stores because yes, there the display or the variety are which are there in both the stores are the latest ones. But these kind of stones and this kind of highlighters or this kind of tiles are usually available at many other locations as well. So this is basically a mosaic kind of feel in one particular tile. This is the tile size is 8 by 4, and if you see the richness or the print which is there in this particular tile is exactly same as what we had seen in the natural marble. So there are different options which are available these days, different thicknesses, different sizes, different make, and even different shades which are very much available, which can make the appeal or which can make your space look bigger, brighter, and a different combination altogether. So that's it from my end for this video. Stay tuned. I'll be covering the other elements of the flat as well. If you resonate with my content, do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.